Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Taylor Swift Grammys dress on Dress to Impress. It's not going to be an exact replica because I just can't find like a skirt long enough for this. So if you have any tips for it, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm just going to go to the hair first, and I'm just going to add this one. I'm going to color it this color. I'm also going to add these bangs on top of that. Then for the outfit, we are going to go to this section, select this, and then go to the crop one, select turtleneck, add in this blue, and then add in glitter. And then add these like shorts, glitter, and then the same color as well. For the earrings, you're going to want to layer a few. So I'm just going to select this one first and then color it this glitter, and then the second one I'm just going to leave that color and I'll do metallic on that. And then for this one, again, kind of the same, and then glitter, whoops. And then we're also going to add on, where is it, this one too. And then here, going to add that, then do glitter. Okay, so for the skirt, you have like two options that you can do. You can either use this skirt or you can also use this one. Again, you're going to want to color it the same glitter. I just use this one to make it longer. And then for the shoes, I think I'm going to use, well, you can either use this one or the one from VIP. If you don't have VIP, you can just use this one and then make it this like blue. But if you do have VIP, also you can like change the shoes. If you have VIP, I suggest you wearing this one. Then again, I'll do the same. Okay, and then I'm going to also add one more earring, which is this one from VIP. I'm also going to color the nails the same. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.